And the Taupo is normally the dance is performed by the daughter of the high chief. So the high chief of the village, his daughter is the one that performs this dance. And this dance we usually perform it either to begin the openings of festivities or to close a festivity or any type of celebration. So it's a very significant dance for us. And so we'd like to close our performance with the Taualuga. Before we start, I would like to invite Archbishop and Archbishop Frank, Father John Paul, Deacon Juan, Father Mike, if you're still here, to please come up and dance with us. And for the rest of our community, please join in. It's called the money dance if you're not familiar with the name Taualuga. So if you have any money left in your pockets, please feel free to come up and show your support for today's event and our festivities by either putting some money in the basket, which I think is coming up, or if you like to do how we do it, you can make it rain money. So up to you, but we invite you to please come up. The money and the funds that are received from this dance will go towards next year's multicultural event. Thank you.
Father John Patrick is taking off his shirt so he can get in. Wait, no, he has a dress code. He's got it. All right. Again, you guys, we are so blessed to be part of such a beautifully diverse community. And thank you again so much to all the people who presented today, all the folks who created this amazing banquet and peace that we got to share. We are just so blessed. Thank you, God, for the gift of this day and every day being part of this beautiful community. Let's give it up for our Pacific Avenue Pie.